Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best ceiling fans on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. The third position goes to the ceiling fans with lights and remote AQUBT. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The AQUBT ceiling fan with lights and remote is a modern, bladeless fan designed for quiet, efficient airflow and sleek style. With a low-profile design, it's perfect for rooms with low ceilings. It features a dimmable LED light that ranges from warm 3000K to cool 6500K, adjustable via the included remote. The fan has 6 speed settings and a reversible motor for use in both summer and winter. You can also set timers for automatic shut-off. Its modern fandelier look combines lighting and ventilation in one compact fixture, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. Easy to install and operate, the AQUBT ceiling fan offers comfort, convenience, and style in one package. Number 2 is the Amico ceiling fans with lights. The Amico ceiling fan with lights is a modern, flush-mount fan designed for low ceilings and quiet performance. It features a powerful yet silent DC motor with 6 speed settings and a reversible function, making it suitable for both summer and winter use. The integrated LED light offers 3 color temperatures, 3000K, 4000K, and 6000K, along with full dimming capability. A convenient remote control lets you adjust fan speed, light settings, and set timers for 1, 2, or 4 hours. The memory function retains your preferred settings between uses. With its sleek design and multifunctional features, the Amico fan is a great fit for bedrooms, living rooms, or any space where comfort and style are a priority. And the first position goes to the modern dimmable LED ceiling fan with lights Litomide. The Litomide modern dimmable LED ceiling fan with lights is a stylish and compact option for rooms with low ceilings. It features a quiet, energy-efficient DC motor with 6 fan speeds and reversible airflow, making it suitable for year-round use. The integrated LED light offers 3 color temperatures, 3000K, 4500K, and 6000K, with full dimming capabilities from 10% to 100%. A memory function saves your last light settings, and the fan can be controlled by remote or smartphone app. It also includes a sleep timer and night light mode for added comfort. Easy to install and ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or small living areas, this fan combines modern design with smart functionality. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 ceiling fans that you can buy online through Amazon, and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description and the first comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.